Look this beautiful tree. This gum tree, guys. Ooh, more than 100 years old. The tree is very old. Look. I like always watching this tree. Very nice. I like all the trees. You see how big they are? They say it's 100 years old. But I don't know if it's true or not. Look. Someone make a hole. Burn. Think some. But look. They're very, very nice tree. And old. Thank you for watching, guys.